Good morning, students. In the previous class, we studied about the Renaissance and its features and how Renaissance influence on literature. Today, we study about how Renaissance influenced in arts and science. Renaissance in arts. The Renaissance spirit was most pronounced in painting. Most famous artworks in history were painted during the Renaissance period. Have you heard about Leonardo da Vinci? Yes. Leonardo da Vinci was one of the great painters of the period. Leonardo da Vinci was one of the great painters of the Renaissance period. The Mona Lisa and the Last Supper are the famous paintings of Leonardo da Vinci. The painting Mona Lisa by Leonardo da Vinci is one of the most famous and recognized paintings in history. The Mona Lisa is a famous painting of the Renaissance period. The mysterious smile means the Nigudamaya Punjari. The mysterious smile of Mona Lisa has led to much discussions and debates. Have you seen the picture of Mona Lisa? Her smile is very mysterious. The Mona Lisa is the most discussed painting because of the mysterious smile of Mona Lisa. There have been many discussions about the smile of Mona Lisa. Leonardo da Vinci, one of the famous artists of the Renaissance period, completed the painting in between AD 1503 and AD 1505. Leonardo da Vinci completed the painting of Mona Lisa in between AD 1503 and AD 1505. Now, the Mona Lisa is preserved in the Paris Museum. Mona Lisa is preserved in the Paris Museum. Leonardo da Vinci's most important work is the Mona Lisa. Now, the Mona Lisa is preserved in the Paris Museum. The Last Supper is another important work by Leonardo da Vinci. The Last Supper is an important painting of the Renaissance period. The image shows the Last Supper. Jesus with his disciples. Disciples means Shishanmar. Jesus with his disciples for his Last Supper. Which are the important works of Leonardo da Vinci? The Mona Lisa and the Last Supper. Another important painting is The Last Judgment by Michelangelo. The Last Judgment is an important painting of the Renaissance period. Another important painting is The School of Athens by Raphael. This painting is found on the altar wall of the Sistine Chapel in Vatican City. Which are the major paintings in the Renaissance period? Leonardo da Vinci's The Mona Lisa and the Last Supper, Michelangelo's The Last Judgment, Raphael's The School of Athens are the major paintings in the Renaissance period. The excellence in art was not limited to painting. In course of time, sublime works were created in the fields of architecture, sculpture and music. The excellence in art was not only in painting but also in the fields of architecture, sculpture and music. The prominent sculptors and architects and their works can be identified from the following pictures. Lorenzo Ghiberti's The Door of the Florence Baptistery. Lorenzo Ghiberti's The Door of the Florence Baptistery is the best example of architecture in the Renaissance period. Lorenzo Ghiberti is a famous architecture in the Renaissance period. Donatello's Gattamelita is the best example of sculpture in the Renaissance period. All of you complete the list given on page number 12. First, we write the artists of the Renaissance period, then their works and their fields. Okay. Next, we study about how Renaissance influenced in science. Though Renaissance gave preference to art and literature, it influenced science also. Renaissance promoted a scientific outlook. During the Renaissance period, great changes occurred in science. You have already learned that the sun is the center of the solar system. Which is the center of the solar system? The sun. The sun is the center of the solar system and all planets including the earth revolve around the sun. But formerly it was believed that the earth was the center of the universe. In the early period, people believed that the earth was the center of the universe. In the Renaissance period, this belief was proven false. Copernicus propounded the theory of the solar system and announced that the earth revolves around the sun. Copernicus, an astronomer, he revived the idea that the earth moves round the sun and rotates round its axis. He announced that the earth revolves round the sun. He announced that the earth was not the center of the universe. The earth revolves round the sun. The earth moves round the sun and rotates round its axis. Copernicus propounded the theory of the solar system. And then he announced that the earth revolves round the sun and the sun is the center of the solar system. Later, Galileo Galilei invented the telescope and using it he scientifically proved that the theory put forward by Copernicus was true. Who invented telescope? Galileo Galilei. Galileo Galilei invented the telescope to study the movement of heavenly bodies. And then he scientifically proved that the theory put forward by Copernicus was true. With the help of telescope, Galileo Galilei scientifically proved that the theory put forward by Copernicus was true. Another important invention of the Renaissance period is the invention of the printing press by Gutenberg. Who invented the printing press? Gutenberg. The invention of printing press became easier to propagate the Renaissance ideas widely among the masses. The story of printing press. The printing press was invented by a German blacksmith, Johannes Gutenberg, in 1439. It was made of replaceable wooden alphabets. The invention of printing created a new reading culture. This resulted in revolutionary changes in the diffusion of knowledge. Gradually, the technology spread to other continents. The printing press was invented by Johannes Gutenberg. The invention of printing press created a new reading culture among the people. This resulted in revolutionary changes in the diffusion of knowledge. And gradually the technology spread to other continents. This helped to spread new scientific discoveries. Next, we study about the Reformation. The Renaissance had say in the religious sphere also. The Renaissance also influenced in the religious sphere. Renaissance paved the way for the Reformation. What is known as the Reformation? The refinement. Refinement means parishkaranam. The refinement underwent by the European Christianity in the 16th century is known as the Reformation. The refinement underwent by the European Christianity in the 16th century is known as the Reformation. 16th സെഞ്ച്വറിയിൽ യൂറോപ്പിലെ ക്രിസ്ത്യൻ സഭയിലുണ്ടായ റിഫൈൻമെൻറ്റ് പരിഷ്കരണത്തിനെയാണ് റിഫോർമേഷൻ എന്ന് അറിയപ്പെടുന്നത്. മാർട്ടിൻ ലൂതർ ലെഡ് ദിസ് മൂവ്മെൻറ്റ് വിച്ച് ബിഗാൻ ഇൻ ജർമ്മനി. ഹു ലെഡ് ദ മൂവ്മെൻറ്റ്? Martin Luther. Martin Luther led the Reformation movement. The Reformation started in Germany. What is known as the Reformation? The refinement underwent by the European Christianity in the 16th century is known as the Reformation. Who led the Reformation? Martin Luther. Reformation began in Germany. In search of sea routes. We have seen that the Turks had conquered Constantinople. This dismantled the trade relation between Europe and Asia. It necessitated the European traders to discover new sea routes to Asia. We studied Constantinople is the gateway from Asia to Europe. In 1453, the Turks had conquered Constantinople. As a result, the trade relation between Europe and Asia became dismantled. So, the European traders discovered new sea routes to Asia. The European traders discovered several sea routes. A question in the letters assess of your textbook is, list out the new sea routes and their explorers. First one, Vasco da Gama. Vasco da Gama reached India by circumnavigating the Cape of Good Hope. He reached India by circumnavigating the Cape of Good Hope. He discovered a new sea route by circumnavigating the Cape of Good Hope and he reached India. Another explorer, Columbus. Columbus set out from the Palos harbor to the westward and reached North America. He discovered a new sea route and he reached North America. Another explorer, John Cabot. He crossed the Atlantic Ocean and reached Newfoundland. The invention of the compass. What was the use of compass? Compass was an instrument used to find out the direction. The invention of the compass and the spirit of adventure uncovered unknown routes, oceans and continents. The invention of the compass helped it to find out uncovered unknown routes, oceans and continents. The attempt to find out trade routes through sea led the invention of unknown routes, oceans and continents. Next, Industrial Revolution. How was production before the invention of machines? Before the invention of machines, man was used his physical force to production. Before the invention of machines, man used his physical power for production. What changes and benefits did the use of machines bring to human life? What was the changes use of machines bring to human life? With the use of machines, production increased and production cost decreased. We used the machines. As a result, production increased and the production cost decreased. The Renaissance in the field of science led to the invention of new machines which brought about immense change in the field of production. The Renaissance in the field of science led to the invention of new machines. We studied The Renaissance influenced in the field of science. The Renaissance in the field of science led to the invention of new machines. These new machines brought about immense change in the field of production. As a result, production increased while the cost of production decreased. Such changes in the field of production occurred in the Industrial Revolution. During the second half of the 18th century and the first half of the 19th century, great changes took place in the methods, techniques, and organization of production in the field of industry. These changes taken together may be termed as Industrial Revolution. Industrial Revolution began in England and revolutionized the production and trade. Industrial Revolution started in England. With the advent of the Industrial Revolution came many changes in the field of production and trade. Inventions during the Industrial Revolution. Which are the major inventions during the Industrial Revolution? Flying shuttle. Flying shuttle invented by John Kay. Spinning jenny invented by James Hargreaves. These two inventions are related to textile industry. Steam engine invented by James Watt and locomotive invented by George Stephenson. In this chapter, we studied about Renaissance and its features and how Renaissance influenced in the field of literature, art, science. Then we studied about the Reformation and Industrial Revolution. This chapter is over. Everyone read this lesson. Okay, today's class is winding up.